excited?
I'm excited!
I love it, I love it.
Oh man, rock it off!
Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Look, there it is. All right, do you have your ticket ready? I have my ticket ready. Yes! We're at Blizzard Beach and we're about to hit the snow. Okay. I can hold this on this ride, but we're gonna try. Okay. I'm gonna beat you, John!
No, I'm scared. Really.
Don't be scared, it's okay. What? What should we do?
Get set, go!
That's okay, they'll be coming out. The VIP lane on the next group down. You guys can consider right at the end of your lane when you're ready. I wanna live with abandon. Give you all that I am. Every part of my heart.
Mistakes.
I wanna live with abandon.
Oh my god, help me! Oh my god, Mama! Help me! No, too late. No turning back now. I know, I'm gonna die! Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
You got it, Sean, you got it.
I cannot.
Let your light so shine. Let your light so shine. Don't underestimate the God you follow. He is the light that burns inside your soul. So keep on shining till the whole world knows. Whatever you